Hello, I'm Kevin Virgil, and I'm the CEO of Forever Labs. So I first learned about Forever Labs shortly after the company was started in 2015, and in 2019 I became a client. I had my stem cells, and my wife and I both had our stem cells banked with Forever Labs. I was very fortunate in that I've actually been able to use my stem cells to great benefit very recently. So I'm 52 years old, and I've lived a fairly active life, both in playing sports and serving in the military. And one of the unfortunate byproducts of a life like that is you get kind of beat up. And by the time I was in my early 50s, I had an MRI done, and my doctor informed me that I had almost no cartilage in either one of my knees. I was suffering from, been diagnosed with knee osteoarthritis. So what we were able to do, instead of the traditional approach of, say, lidocaine injections for pain management or a knee replacement, which I'm far too young to really want to do, our chief medical officer here at Forever Labs, who is a regenerative physician in the Detroit metropolitan area, was able to take my stem cells and to inject them directly into my knees to help regenerate cartilage. And the effects have been profound. I just did the procedure 11 months ago, and I went from, in February of last year, not really being able to walk long distances or really even walk down a flight of stairs without feeling at least a little bit of joint pain in my knees, to just in November, 2 months ago, I was able to run a 5-mile trail run with no knee pain whatsoever. I was able to go through just a life-changing quality of life improvement by reducing the pain in my own knees. I know none of us are getting any younger, and having the ability to use our own biology to feel and look healthier and younger is extremely exciting to me. And I think it is to thousands of other people, if not millions.